How to say I feel like, it seems to me, or I think in Urdu. In Urdu, the phrase is मुझे लगता है. मुझे लगता है. मुझे means to me and lagna is to feel. So it means it seems to me. For example, the most common sentence I can think of is मुझे लगता है आज बारिश होगी. मुझे लगता है आज बारिश होगी. It will rain. मुझे लगता है आज बारिश होगी. It's everyone's desire nowadays because I'm living in the southern part of Pakistan and it's very hot. It's like 39, 38 degrees and it's monsoon. So everybody's been waiting for rain. I feel like it would rain today. मुझे लगता है आज बारिश होगी. Another sentence is मुझे लगता है तुम आजकल सही से नहीं सो रहे हो. मुझे लगता है आजकल तुम सही से नहीं सो रहे हो. You can put तुम anywhere in the sentence, it doesn't matter, but for convenience I usually put it in the beginning. मुझे लगता है तुम आजकल सही से नहीं सो रहे हो. सही से means properly. सो रहे हो is sleeping. सोना is to sleep. क्योंकि तुम हर वक्त थके हुए रहते हो. क्योंकि तुम हर वक्त थके हुए रहते हो. हर वक्त means every time, all the time. थके हुए रहते हो. Stay tired. रहना is to live, but here it means you just appear tired. Another sentence is मुझे लगता है कि इसमें आपकी गलती है. मुझे लगता है कि इसमें आपकी गलती है. गलती means mistake. गलती. गलती. I feel like in this you made a mistake. मुझे लगता है तुम बहुत हसास हो. मुझे लगता है तुम बहुत हसास हो. हसास means sensitive. मुझे लगता है तुम बहुत हसास हो. So this sentence is with you and also it's an interrogative sentence. तुमको लगता है तुम मेरे लिए इतने गैर अहम हो. क्या तुमको लगता है कि तुम मेरे लिए इतने गैर अहम हो. गैर अहम means unimportant. क्या तुमको लगता है? Do you feel like? Does it seem to you? कि तुम मेरे लिए इतने गैर अहम हो. You are so unimportant for me. Or this unimportant for me. Hope you enjoyed this short lesson. If you have any question, comment down below and subscribe for more videos. I'll see you in the next one. Have a good day and goodbye.